Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com, here with our STG March 2021 sales and new gear. Okay, so we're going to come out of the gate with the Super Tech R boot closeout. There is a new version coming. They're going to be late this year, okay? We're not going to see those at the beginning of the riding season. Maybe we'll get lucky and they'll be here in June. We still have a lot of these in stock here. I bought real deep on these late last year, right? We couldn't say this in the last video, but the price on these is now $3.99. That is 20% off what is arguably the best pair of sport and racing boots out there. I ride in these. Max has got a pair. They're phenomenal, right? Get your pair before they're gone. As of right now, we still have all sizes available. You're going to see availability start to wane in certain colorways, as time wears on. We turned this sale on late last week, and the reception to it was amazing. They were selling right out of the gate, so get yours before they're gone. Rstr Sport Race Suit. We bought deep on these and we are down to the bottom now. We still have the best sizes, the best selling sizes in stock, okay? But there's only, I think, 3 sizes left in stock right now. $3.99 for a complete package with knee pucks, okay? This has a back protector insert inside the suit. This is a rock solid entry-level race suit. You will not find anything better or anything even close at that $3.99 price point. Absolutely a dragon slayer at that point. The RST Pilot Air Mesh Jacket, $119, okay? Look at the quality on this thing. We did a video on it, right? These came in really late for us. They came in like the fall. Okay, so obviously mesh jacket sales in the fall are not amazing, but if you're looking for a new hot weather riding jacket for the 2021 season, this is a great option, right? Excellent quality, excellent fit, full feature review, $119. Protection. We've got the Force Field Freelite Level 2 certified back protector, $59 on this thing. The Race Ready CE certified chest protector from Force Field again, $29 on the website. Back to boots. These are the City Performer boots. This is a great pair of street boots. You could use these for some random track day duty as well. We're starting to run out of select sizes now. Still have most in stock, $159. Okay. Helmet Garage. This is a great padded storage bag for transporting your helmet or storing it in the house. $24.95. We've got about 70 of those left. We did this last month too. They sold really well. If you're looking for a super affordable, right, full face helmet with a drop down inner screen, we've got this Vmar Zephyr, right? This is a closeout we started running last year. $79 on this. It really is a nice helmet. If you're looking for a good street helmet, spare helmet, something for a passenger, whatever, that is a great deal on a really nice product. The all-new Max Van Stg Team Shirt. This is the same shirt we're going to be wearing in Moto America. We had a bunch of these printed up, right? It's nice material. I'm wearing a size large now, 5'11", 205 pounds or so. The Rona's catching up to me, right? Cool shirt, nice fabric. Buy it on the site. I think we've got them up there for about $35. We've sold a bunch so far. We really appreciate everyone's support. We're looking forward to seeing you all out there. Max and I are going to be heading down to the tire test at the end of this month down at COTA. That little shit gets to ride COTA. I've never ridden COTA. I get to drive to COTA now, and I get to work on his Ninja 400 at COTA, but I'm not going to get to ride it. We have something cool coming up too. I had to buy a new trailer. The other trailer we'd had it for a long time, put a lot of miles on it. It was worse for wear, so I moved that one down the road and I bought a new trailer. We snowmobile in the winter, so this is a 28-foot V-nose that is 8.5 foot wide. It's meant for sleds and bikes. Last weekend, Max and I spent 2 days working on this thing, fitting our trailer restraints, stand mounts on the walls. We got a big tire rack in there. We got some gear stations to store helmets, all kinds of cool stuff. I have it at the Line-X shop right now, where they're actually doing a bed liner coating on the entire wood floor and then having it undercoated. We're going to do a full video on this and just show you what we did to get this trailer ready. The goal with this one is we bought a nice Legend all aluminum trailer. The goal with this is to set it up so that we're going to be able to use it, say, for the next 10, 15 years, whatever. We had the other one a long time. Hope to have this one a long time. We're going to share with you guys what we did on this. I think it should be a pretty cool video for sure. New gear. You know, all the brands come out with new apparel and new gear at this time of year. This is really different this year because of the damn corona apocalypse. Everything's delayed and held off and being released in waves. We'll have new stuff from Alpine Stars coming very soon, right? That's going to come out in waves and pieces. And we have some new stuff from Icon. Two of the items that are available currently from Icon I decided to showcase here today just because I think they're badass. This is the Airform Helmet. This is called the Warthog. Obviously military themed. These are $225 each. Got the Warthog over here, the Semper Fi, the Marine themed helmet over here. This comes with that silver mirror and a clear shield. Look at how cool this is. A really good friend of mine is a squadron commander here at Selfridge. I actually have a retired A-10 Warthog gun barrel at home in the home gym. It's pretty badass. The detail on this is great. You know, we really appreciate those that choose to serve our country here. It means a lot to us, and I love it when some of the brands come out with some of this military-themed stuff. This one comes with a gold shield. Each one of these is $225, and they are currently available now. Later on this month, there's going to be another sale that's going to include a handful of brands, right? We can't announce that now. We'll come back with a quick little hit video or at least get it in an email blast to let you guys know when that drops. That's some pretty exciting stuff as well. Until next month, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com.